Welcome to Cooking Corner. Today's recipe is carrot halwa. Let's get started. The ingredients are: I have taken half a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of maida, 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, a tablespoon of chopped almonds. I have taken whey water of half a liter of milk and cheese from half a liter of milk. I also have taken quarter of a kilo of chopped carrots. So let's adjust the flame. I have taken a small cooker and I have kept the flame in medium to low. Now we will add the carrots, followed by the cup of whey water. We will use it as per required. And now you can see that I have added only the whey water and the carrots. Now we will close the lid of the cooker. Now we will close the lid. Please note that I have added only a cup of the whey water and closed it. Now I will keep it on medium to low flame for around 15 minutes. Please do not increase the flame, otherwise it might burn. After baking the carrots for 15 minutes, it looks somewhat like this. You can see that the carrots are nice and soft and there's hardly any water left. Now we will mash it using a masher really well. In this way, you can see that it's turning nice and soft and it's mashing very easily. You can see that the carrots are nice and mashed. So we need to mash it until they are nice and grainy. So here are the carrots. Next, we will switch on the flame to medium-low and give a good mix to the mashed carrots. Now we will add the cottage cheese which we had made. Followed by the almonds. And mix it really well. After mixing it really well, you can see that it looks like this. Next, we will add the sugar, the half a cup of sugar. You can also add raisins, and I'll also add the 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix it really well in this way. And allow it to cook in an open lid just for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, we will add the maida and mix it really well. in this way and cook it for another 2 minutes, and then we will switch off the flame. Our carrot halwa looks nice and thick. So here you can see the bubbles are nice and big. You can see large bubbles. So this indicates that the carrot halwa is ready and it's nice and thick. So now we will switch off the flame and serve it on a plate. So here is the delicious and tasty carrot halwa. You can serve it with vanilla ice cream or enjoy it as it is. You can also add some raisins and serve it with some cardamom powder. It's totally optional. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Cooking Corner.